see on television.
Do I?
You remind me of something I used to see on television a long while ago.
Who's that?
Well, that was Little Lee and...
Turn it down a bit.
What?
Turn it down a bit.
That was Little Lee and Abby. You're not Lee, are you?
Yeah.
Are you? What, used to be on the chat lines?
Yeah.
Oh, you look like...
Jack, I used to be on the chat lines that he got banned from.
I didn't get
I
banned.
look like the girl on the chat lines that he got banned from.
No, I didn't get banned from there.
You did?
I did. I did, because I closed up. I didn't get banned from there.
You did?
I did.
You did. You said dirty things to him.
What?
You said something dirty.
I got banned, but I let it be back on there again.
Did you?
Yeah.
I
I wasn't too dirty with you, I wasn't. Because I used to let you swear at me or something like that.
Is that a puppet?
Yeah, talk for a bit.
Yeah. Can I have some money?
There's some money.
Can I have it? Can I have that £2?
No, I go in my swear box.
Do it.
Yeah.
Can I have it?
No, it goes in the swear box, I do. I goes in my swear box, I'm going.
Change the song. See you later.